Singapore Biodesign is an initiative modeled after the renowned Stanford Biodesign program for health and Medtech innovation. Singapore Biodesign also brings economic benefits and healthcare value through HealthTech innovation training for the ecosystem. Singapore Biodesign aims to train and nurture the next generation of medical technology innovators. This year in 2021, we introduced the Singapore Biodesign Health and Medtech Innovation Training courses with Skills Future Singapore subsidy. Our courses cover a wide range of topics in the health and medtech industry, targeted at professionals looking to learn about the healthcare innovation space. We welcome healthcare professionals who are interested in innovation, R&D and product development professionals developing new healthcare products, industry professionals looking to expand their skill sets in HealthTech innovation, and entrepreneurs. These workshops will run on conferencing platforms or face-to-face teaching sessions, depending on the safe distancing measures. From our workshops, you will gain new knowledge through lectures on how to kickstart a career in health and medtech innovation, work on real-world examples with deeper focus on Asia and implementation, experience hands-on training to appreciate the biodesign needs-centric process, be taught by WSQ ACLP certified trainers, enjoy heavily subsidized course fees for Singapore citizens and permanent residents, meet specially invited industry guest speakers on specific topics. Find out more on our website on how to register and the complete list of courses available.